So I was at Costco yesterday and I found kiwi berries. I was so excited because I had seen these and I really wanted to try them. I've never had them before, so let's try them together. It says here to enjoy when soft. All right, let's rinse these bad boys. All right, so let's give this a try. They feel pretty squishy. They do look like kiwis. Amazing. They even kind of taste like kiwis. Kind of like a blueberry and a kiwi hybrid. They're sweet, not really sour. Tastes a little bit, has a little candy flavor. These are good. I would recommend them. Try it. Is it good? What's it taste like?
Kiwi grape. Ah, it's so cute.
Alex, try it.
Daddy, look at this.
Let me see.
Is it good?
Oh, cool.
You want to try it?
Okay.
Do you want to try
What does it taste like, Alex? What does it taste like?
It tastes just like
You want me
lemon flavor or something.